So this fellowship has taught me a lot of things, including how to be flexible, particularly during the time of coronavirus. But certainly it's taught me that there are a number of ways of treating diseases, treating patients in a different health system. And it's made me appreciate how we do things in Australia. There are a lot of differences in the health system in which we're conducting clinical research, and there are different approaches to patient flow. And throughout my time here, I've also learned how to conduct clinical research studies, both from the trial sponsor and from a trial site delivery point of view. Living in London, it's a city where there's a lot of clinical research activity and where there's a number of institutions that contribute to a bustling cancer research community, which I've been very privileged to be part of. At the Marsden, I've been working in a busy unit that's dedicated to the treatment and research of GI cancers, and also working on the POLEM study, which was a national phase 3 study. And although the trial itself hasn't been successful, it's certainly been enriching in learning how to conduct clinical research and a multi-site phase 3 study. Well, I can only say good things about the Royal Marsden Hospital and the gastrointestinal cancer unit. I would say that it's a busy environment, but by being busy, you do certainly learn a lot. You learn how to look after patients on clinical studies. You learn how to set up clinical studies, both pharmaceutical sponsored and academic studies. And I can only encourage those who are in a position to go on an overseas fellowship to consider the Royal Marsden Hospital. And finally, I'd like to acknowledge the support that's been provided by the AGITG in conjunction with Merck. And I would also like to acknowledge all my colleagues and the support that I have been given at the Royal Marsden Hospital.